Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is microwave. This article is about the electromagnetic wave for the cooking appliance. See microwave oven. For other uses, see microwave disassembly. Microwave is a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, corresponding to frequencies between 300 MHz and 300 GHz respectively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sources define different frequency ranges as microwave. The above broad definition includes both UHF and EHF. Millimeter wave bands, a more common definition in radio frequency engineering, is the range between 1 and 100 GHz wavelengths between 0.3 mm and 3 mm. In all cases, microwaves include the entire SHF and band 3 to 30 GHz or 10 to 1 cm at minimum. Frequencies in the microwave range are often referred to by their IEEE radar band designations SCX, KUK or K band, or by similar NET or EU designation. The prefix micro in microwave is not meant to suggest a microwave range. पापा बंद करो. Rather, it indicates that microwaves are small, having shorter wavelengths compared to the radio waves used prior to microwave technology. The boundaries between far infrared terahertz radiation microwaves and ultra high frequency radio waves and fairly arbitrary and are used variously between different fields of study. Microwaves travel by line of sight, unlike lower frequency radio waves. They do not diffract around hills, follow the Earth's surface as ground waves, or reflect for the ionosphere. So terrestrial microwave communication links are limited by the visual horizon to about 40 miles 46 km at the high end of the band. They are absorbed by gases in the atmosphere, limited practical communication distance to around a kilometer. Microwaves are widely used in modern technology, for example in point-to-point communication links, wireless networks, microwave radio relay networks, radar terrain-specific communication, medical diathermy and cancer treatment, remote sensing, radio astronomy, particle accelerators, spectroscopy, industrial heating, collision avoid system, garage door openers and keyless entry system, and for cooking food in microwave ovens. Propagation. Main article. Radio microwaves travel solely by line of sight paths. Unlike lower frequency radio waves, they do not travel as ground waves, which follow the contour of the earth or reflect off the ionosphere. Skywave 6, although at the low end of the band, they can pass through building walls enough for useful reception. Usually rights of way clear to the first fresnel zone are required, therefore on useful